This is going to be reading for the sign of Leo, all that I need to know about your person. So let's see what's currently happening. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well. One card for what's currently happening in Leo's soulmate connection overall life. With Seven of Cups, I got similar card for Libra last time. I feel that there's major confusion going on. You did try to go in a certain way, but nothing good came out of it, or there's still major confusion, lack of clarity, but you're still being very hopeful about it. I don't think that you have given up on a certain thing or a certain someone. Okay, you're still wanting to believe that whatever you want in life is coming towards you. So you're being very optimistic, still being faithful and hopeful that things are gonna come your way. Okay, give me one more card as to what Leo is possibly going through. I believe there's a lack of clarity for some of you. Okay, things are not very much up there. Yeah, with Two of Wands, you may be waiting for something or someone to possibly make a move towards you, but that person hasn't. Or it could be that some of you have options, like two people, not like fucking seven people. That is crazy, but like two people, and you're wanting to choose. Okay, there could be someone you love, and there could be someone you practically connect with. Like, is practically better for you, like a better option. Okay, and there's always that one person who you love deeply, right? So yes, give me one more card as to what else do we see happening in. Okay, with the Tower card, there has been a breakthrough moment in your soulmate connection. Things are not at balance. Okay, in the past, one of you, either you or them, could have tried to communicate, but nothing really came out of it. Okay, but I do feel some of you, if you haven't got that attention is coming, but right now things are not normal in the connection, not balanced, I would say, in the connection. Okay. So what's your person up to? So what's the Leo person up to? Leo soulmate up to. One card. What's the Leo soulmate up to? Please, spirit. Okay. So right now your person is behaving very sneaky. Okay. In the past, however, they did possibly try to fix it or were trying to fix it, but I believe right now they are still on the run. Okay, still not giving you a clear idea, not giving you answers, not giving you a reply. Maybe for some of you, you're still waiting for them, but this person is not yet in the mood to give you clarity. Top card, Five of Wands. Could be that your person, not you, but your person has other options, and they're still confused as to what to do with you. But they're still looking back. They're still looking at you. They're still looking at what went wrong with in this connection being with you. Give me one more card. So their energy towards this connection now. What are their energy towards the connection now? Some of you could be dealing with a Scorpio, Isis Scorpio. Some of you with a Leo as well. Some of you with a Libra or a Gemini. With Queen of Cups, I believe that the feelings are there. Okay, the feelings have definitely been there. This person is someone you love. They also love you back. But I believe that certainly things are not as easy right now. Okay, as it was in the past. Right now things do not seem balanced. You guys are not on the same page, so that is going to be a challenge for you guys. Okay, top card we have is Temperance card. So I believe that this person is wanting to fix this thing with you. This isn't over, neither have they quit on you. It's just that they're not wanting to face it now. Okay, they're just on the run right now. Okay, so what are their intentions towards you? One card for their intentions towards you now, moving forward, spirit. I've kind of changed my shuffling style, so I let the card fall instead of picking the card out from the deck, trying to use the spirits around me the best way possible, their energy. Okay, with Ten of Swords, I believe that right now this person wants to keep this silence. They are not very much open to fixing this with you as of now, like the near future. Okay, top card we have is the world card. So I'll be very honest, Leos, that this person isn't very much forthcoming when it comes to fixing things with you, at least for the near 1 week. Okay, yeah. So what else do we see coming up for Leos? What else do we see coming up for Leos? Right now they're basically running away from responsibilities, challenges, fears. Yeah, okay, I feel with Four of Wands in the reverse, this relationship cannot move towards commitment as of now. Okay, so yes, in terms of their feelings towards you, how do they feel for you now? How do they truly feel for you? How do they truly feel for you, Leo soulmate? Okay, with Page of Sword, this person is very defensive. Okay, this person isn't communicating with you. In the past they could have tried to be single from you. They weren't ready to give you commitment. The love was there, the love has always been there, but commitment has been an issue. This could resonate with the Libra. For some of you, this story resonates with a Libra. Okay, with the Death card here, I believe as of now this person is only wanting to offer you sexually. Okay, I don't see them wanting to offer you more than that as of now. For the near future, I would say it's 10 to 15 days, not like forever. Okay, so give me one more card as to how they feel for you currently. How do they truly feel for you? How do they truly feel for you? With the Moon card, this person isn't expressing their feelings. They are keeping things from you, like hiding things from you, being extremely secretive. Okay, top card here, Moon and the Sun. That's crazy shit. So I can tell you this much. I can assure you that this isn't over. As of now, they may want to hold back. They may not want to put an effort. They may want to stay away. Okay, but yeah, they are very much pushing you away, to be honest. Okay, so what's the main blockage? What's the main blockage? Why are they doing this? Why are they doing this, Spirit? Why are they really doing this? What is really wrong? Some of them are not sure if this is going to lead to something long term. Okay, they still have doubts, fears, insecurities. Okay, some of them are wanting to focus on themselves now, maybe work on their new beginnings, like if they've started a new business or they are moving to another place maybe. So if that is the case, then they're wanting to focus on that. I say them wanting to focus on themselves. I would not say that they're wanting to move in a different direction. Yes, they may have options, but I feel majorly they're wanting to stay focused on their finances, not focus on relationships. Okay, so kind of possibly going away from you to stay more focused on their own personal life or personal growth or financial growth. Okay, give me one more card as to what you can expect from this person now. What can you possibly expect from this person now, Leos, for the month of December? Please note that my readings are going to be very much straightforward. I don't sugarcoat shit. So if you're not one of those that can take shit, then this is not your channel. Okay, with Five of Pentacles, I believe this person will leave you out in the cold for a while. There is going to be a stagnancy phase for a while. I don't see this moving forward in a very right way. Meanwhile, one card of advice for Leos. One card of advice for Leos. What should Leos be doing? What should Leos be doing? Darling, right now is the time for you to stay focused on yourself, on your finances, on your growth. This is not the time for you to juggle, think, contemplate. No. Right now is the time for you to just stay focused on yourself and just focus on moving forward. If this person comes back, doesn't come back, that shouldn't possibly affect your personal life or professional life, career, business, whatever you do for a living. Okay. With Page of Pentacles, focus on moving forward in life. I'll be very straightforward. Okay, do not look back. Looking back is not going to get you anything. Moreover, it's going to get your life out of balance. Okay, so yes, one card for where is moving forward to for Leos. Where is it moving forward to? Where is it really moving forward to for Leos? next couple of weeks, where do you see this moving forward for Leos, please? Okay, I do feel like this thing isn't over, but as of now, you guys are not wanting to face it. Okay, I see you both resisting it and both wanting to stay away from drama. You guys are doing this because you guys are not wanting to face the drama, not wanting to be a part of the drama in any which way or form. With Queen of Swords, yes, in this whole month there will be some sort of communication, but not the communication you would want from them. Okay, emotionally extremely closed off, detached is the word. Okay, so one card for what are they wanting from you currently, what are they truly wanting from you, what are they truly wanting from you, Leo soulmate, for the month of December, please. With Star card, they do not want you to give up on this connection. Okay, possibly, and yeah, for now they don't want you to expect much from them. For now, they are wanting to keep things very practical. Okay, like if they communicate, they don't want you to get all emotional or ask them for reassurance. No. Okay, I see this person wanting to be all logical and wanting to keep things very practical, very casual. Okay, but they do not want you to give up hope. That's one thing. Okay, bottom card is 10 of cups, so they haven't given up on the connection, but as of now, for now, I don't see them wanting to put in efforts. Okay, so there is going to be some stagnation in this connection. Okay, I've been more focused on my finances. Okay, I want to be more stable. So maybe for some of you, this person wants to be more stable in life, or wanting to achieve or go to a certain level. Okay, I was in denial. I regret running away. That is the second message. Last message we have is proposal. I do feel this person is like eventually going to come and offer you a long-term commitment. Proposal is definitely coming in. Sometimes I talk to you as if you're listening. Okay, so they energetically still feel you around. Okay, they haven't given up on you completely. Energetically still a part of you. They may also be talking to you as if you're around, like you're listening to them. Okay, I still want you. You are still my queen. Okay, that would be the last message. I still want you. You are still my king or queen, depends on who you are. Okay, so yes, this is the reading for the sign of Leo. Please do know that I give always straightforward readings. My job is to tell you what my spirits are telling me. Okay, so if it resonates with you, please do hit the like button, subscribe, comment. All those who wanting a personal reading with me, kindly go to my shop or website and you could book one from the from the options out there. So thank you so much for coming in and see you soon, guys. Happy month of December. Cheers.